Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your carbs on your Suzuki SV650. Okay, so before to start this videos, I just want to say to you, sometimes it's a little bit tricky to have a good camera angle and stay focused on the mechanic job you have to do. So if you doesn't see well, or if you have question about one part of the video, just write it in the comment and I'm gonna try to explain to you a little bit better. That was the first time I removed the carbs on the Suzuki SV650, so this is it. So if you have any question, feel free to ask to me. So enjoy this one. Okay, so first remove two cover. Next, remove the seat. You have two bolts, one on each side. Oh, find it. Next, I remove the two bolts holding the tank. The cable for the wire, I should say, for the fuel level gauge. Disconnected. You have your fuel feed right here. Unscrew the clamp. Okay. Be careful, you can have some gas. This can come. I don't know if you're gonna see well. The hose right here is the hose for the tank overflow. So we'll remove it. Okay. You can take out the tank. Next, you have these two clamps, one for the cylinder, the rear cylinder, and one for the other cylinder. You don't have to remove the bolt, just slack it the most you can. Okay, that's good. See the other side. Okay. You have a big vacuum here, evaporation system. So normally it's plug here, unplug it. And you have another big one here. Okay. So the reason why I remove the carbs, it's because I have a bad idle, and I find out the rubber boot here, it's completely cracked. At idle you have a little hair he came on the in the carb, so a crack like this can cause the problem of bad idle. So I really think my problem is just that. So I'm gonna try to change the rubber boot and see if my problem was here. And you have to remove the carb for that, of course. Never easy. So you have to slack the clamp, this clamp, but in the carb in the front. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you the bolt. The bolt is right here. It's this bolt. So I really don't know if you're gonna see, but like I said, it's exactly the same clamp at the rear carb, but it's a little bit trickier to show you. You have another vacuum here. We have a clamp right here. Okay, this run is cracked too. I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay. Okay, so the bolt I remove, it's the bolt holding your idle stopper screw. Now I got the carb. Whoop, still have some fuel in it. I think I have to remove the choke cable and the throttle cable. To remove the clutch cable, the easiest way is just to open the control box. Okay. For the throttle cable, you have a little adjustment right here. So put it all back to have more slack as you can. You have 2 cables, so do it 4. Now we should have enough slack. Maybe not. So I'm gonna have to slack the 2 throttle cable here. Okay. And slide out the other cable. I'm here, big boy. There you go. Oh, thanks to everyone to check this video until the end. If you like it and if it was help you, just hit the like button. And if you want to help me to make more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button, and that's gonna change everything for me. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.